Welcome to Auto Insider. Today we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz V-Class Marco Polo, a compact motorhome that blends luxury with smart technology, offering a home-like experience on the road. The V-Class Marco Polo is equipped with the intuitive Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control (MBAC) system, allowing you to manage various functions via a large touchscreen in the cockpit or through a smartphone app. This includes an innovative feature. With the optional AIRMATIC air suspension system, you can level the motorhome's floor at the push of a button, ensuring a stable setup even on uneven terrain. Inside, the Marco Polo offers a complete ecosystem for comfortable travel. The kitchen is fitted with a 40-liter cooling chamber capable of chilling items down to -18 DEC, a 2-plate gas cooker, and a sink. The MBAC system lets you monitor fresh and waste water levels, keeping you informed about your resources. Sleeping arrangements are thoughtfully designed for up to 4 people. The Easy Up electric roof reveals a roof bed measuring 2.05 by 1.13 meters, made of high-quality cold foam with elastic spring elements for a comfortable rest. Additionally, the lower area can be transformed into a second double bed measuring 2.03 by 1.13 meters at the push of a button. Under the hood, the V-Class Marco Polo offers a 4-cylinder diesel engine with options for rear-wheel drive, RWD, or all-wheel drive, AWD, delivering power ranging from 163 to 237 horsepower and torque between 380 to 500 Nm. This ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-the-beaten path. One of the standout aspects of the Marco Polo is its discreet design. When the roof is down, it resembles a standard van, allowing for inconspicuous parking in urban areas. Its dimensions, 5.14 meters in length and 1.99 meters in height, make it easy to maneuver and park in conventional garages and multi-story car parks. As of now, the V-Class Marco Polo starts at around EU REIT 5000 in Germany, with well-impressed models averaging over 100,000. This pricing reflects the blend of luxury, innovation, and practicality that Mercedes-Benz has infused into this compact motorhome. That's a wrap for today's review. Stay tuned to Auto Insider, where we'll continue to bring you the latest features and updates on the 2025 Mercedes-Benz V-Class Marco Polo, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision.